Beat is automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky, fresh. My body so melodic. This beat goes right through my chest. Everybody, my body.
Guys, this is your girl Kia. I'm back with another video. Today's video, I'm teaching you guys how to make a new thumbnail. If you hear anything in the background, it's just my cousin watching something on YouTube. But anyways, so you're gonna press this button right here, get your text. Let's see what I'm about to put. Now tutorial. I'll take that off. I think that's what I want. I'm just put I can't spell. I'm gonna just put thumbnail, and I'm gonna find my font that I want. Let's see. I was thinking, I like that one. But then there's another one out there. I think this is the one. Yeah, here it is. Now I'm going to make the background transparent, and I'm gonna make the size a little bigger. Like, yeah, that's good. You know, you're gonna save it as an image. Save. Make sure it has PNG. PS Touch, and it's gonna. This is what I did. All right. But this is not what it's supposed to look like. It's just gonna say thumbnails, probably. So anyways, work with me because I haven't did this one. Don't say. Alright. Blank document. $1080, I think is what it is. And then 720. I mean 780. I don't remember what it is. Nope, this is all wrong. I'm gonna just use this one. And what I'm about to do is clear all of this up. Jesus Christ. Anyways, we're just gonna add a photo layer for the library. Yeah, so actually, no, that's not what we're gonna do. We're gonna add a empty layer, and I'm gonna press this. I'm gonna press this one, and what you can do is change the color and make each color middle. I was trying to figure out how to change the color, but I already made mine. Anyways, then I go to the photo layer for the library, and then I think I saved it with InShot, so here it is. I think I used this one for the last tutorial we did. But anyways, we're going to, I think I pressed the blend and I pressed the lighten. Yeah. That's what I did, I think. Yeah, I like it like that, and I'm gonna leave it like that. And then I'm gonna add a photo layer for the library, and that's when I'm gonna add my text off of Pixelab. I'm gonna do a thumbnail tutorial. This one. Since it's supposed to be looking like the one in the thumbnail, pretty much. And Alright, I think this is what I want. Check. And we're going, I did a whole bunch of stuff, but I'm not about to do that again. Just press fill stroke, and press stroke, and then, you know, you're gonna do the black, and then right here, I did a blue. And then, no, I did dark blue, kind of, I think is what it was. And just see what it looks like. Black. Anyways, then you're gonna press fill stroke again. And you're gonna change the color now. And then I added 2 more other colors, but I do need to keep team for them. So then, oh, I forgot to. Okay, that's cool. I'm just gonna photo layer, photo library, and then this. I downloaded this off of Google. I forgot. I think it's like a Stars PNG, and this is going to press lighten, and it automatically goes on there. And then that's when I finally full stroke type. Oh no, that's good actually. Now this is when we do press text, and their text is gonna automatically come out in like this. For some reason, I'm gonna make it smaller in a second. See? Anyways, I'm about to put in what I want. I'm about to put in Android. And just press done. And check. Oh, I did not need to do that. Let me go back to text. And then that's when you press this. And you press transform, which means you can move it around if you want. And then I remember doing the fill and stroke again. And this time was blue was like one of these. And I just press check. As you can tell, they kind of look alike from what the last one was. Not exactly alike, but it's somewhat alike. So I like that. And that's how you do it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. And I'm just going to get out, and I'm out. Deuces.
Trapping at the back street.